Are you going? You go play? You say hi to the camera. Hi. I'm riding escalator. We go mata. Here. Where are you going, Saina? Daming bit-bit. Naglaro daw siya. Oh, here again. Here again the escalator. Just be careful. Yan. Hi, Saina. Where are you going? You play? Wow. What you want? Wow, daming laruan. Yan ang may katrabaho niya. Open na yan mga... Oh. Hoy, don't go inside. You can't come out. Be careful. Oh, don't climb. Oh, you see Mata. Hi, hello to Mata. Hello, Mata. Ayan ang mata. Uy! Oh, be careful. Hindi pwede bayaran dahil aalis ka kaagad. Sayang ang bayad, no? I-return natin kay Mami ang 50 pesos. Sirain mo. Sirain mo. Ayan. 60 po naman. Oh, Mata. Ayan ang Mata. You see, I miss you, Mata. Oh, the Mata, oh. Oh, don't climb. Don't climb. It's danger. No, that is, you can't get that. That is not hard. You only see. Don't climb. I will go. Bye. I go. Papalitan mo yung ticket mo? Oh, what kind of toys you want? Oh. Huh? Oh, you ask to ate. Ate, you change my ticket. Ate.
Your ticket is not enough to redeem any items.
Ate.
What do you want? What do you want?
Ate,
Erase.
you
You
change
want
my
erase?
ticket.
Ball pen. Okay, ball pen. You want ball pen?
Nakadampot lang yan sa doon, tapos pupunta siya dito. Matalino nga, 2 taon pa yan. Ate, you change my ticket, ate. You go, kuya. You go, kuya. Go. Go, kuya. Oh, meron pa. Ah. Ah. Oh, ito pa. Here, oh. Ah. Oh, you give to ate. Oh, you give to ate. Ate. Marunong nga siya mandampot ng ticket. Tapos, papalitan niya doon. Oh. Tingnan natin kung anong mapapalit niya sa mga dinampot niyang ticket. Ah, sige. Oh, wait. You ask to ate. Oh, you give your ticket to ate, oh. Ate. Oh. Tingnan natin kung anong may papalit sa mga dinampot mong ticket. Oh, give to ate. Ayan, marunong siya. Ah. Oh, tingnan mo. Di ba dinampot niya ticket? Madistay, may karting nga siya. Ayan si ate. Ayan, si ate, dinaano yung ticket, nilalagay. Tingnan natin kung ilang points yung nadampot niya. Ano? Ah. Ayan, kinde. Yeah. Ayan, si ate. Madiscounting nga siya, oh. Wow! You got one candy! Thank you, ate! Thank you to ate, thank you. Wala, yan. Ate, say thank you to ate. Thank you muna. Oh, marami na siyang candy. Stand up na kay Dirty na yan. Ha? Oh, you say ate, thank you muna. Yes, si ate, thank you. Open.
Hindi ako pwede yan kasi hindi niya naman token yun eh. Ayun, wala ko. Hindi nga token yun. Money yan. Hindi naman token yun. Ako ulit mo eh. Alin ako.
Good then. Oh, be careful, Zaina.